Join us as we make this delicious arugula and pear salad for the Thanksgiving holiday. Welcome back to our channel where we offer tips on being plant-based. If you're looking for a channel where you can learn lifestyle medicine tips from a vascular surgeon who treats cardiovascular disease, then this is the channel for you. We also upload podcast interviews from experts in the field of plant-based nutrition. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification button to receive notifications every time we upload a video. Happy holidays, everyone. I'm Maya.
And I'm Dr. Riz.
And we are in our kitchen. And we're going to introduce some recipes for you guys, alternatives, healthy alternatives that you can make for Thanksgiving. So Dr. Riz in the past has said that he likes arugula. Arugula is one of your favorites.
Yeah, my favorite salad has both spinach and arugula in it.
Yes, and so this is perfect for the holidays. You're going to get your nitric oxide like Dr. Riz says. And it's pretty easy. It takes just a few ingredients. First, I want to mention where you can find arugula. You'll always see them usually in a plastic bag or baby arugula in a box. And this is the one that we typically use a lot of because we like to put it in smoothies, salads, and on top of our soups.
Yeah, and I prefer baby arugula to the regular arugula. I think it's because it's a taste thing. It has a peppery taste, but it's not overwhelming. And so I always look for baby arugula myself.
And then we need a vinegar. And this is a balsamic vinegar that Dr. Riz is going to reduce to a glaze, and we'll show you how to do that. Some Asian pears, a couple of radishes, cranberries, and some walnuts. Should we get started?
Let's get started.
Okay, so we're going to start with the balsamic vinegar.
There we go.
And so what we're going to do is pour, not that much. Right, there you go. For this recipe, you will only need 6 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar, but make as much as you want and you can always store it in a separate container. All right. Okay, so now we're getting ready to slice the Asian pears, and I like to use this slicer, and it just makes it easier. I'm not going to slice both of these because it's just us, but I wanted to give you an idea of how you can slice. So take the core out. I'll just do this much for now.
We boiled it down to about half, and you can kind of see how when I tilt it, it's real thick, and up top it's still sticking a little bit. So you can tell it's thickening up. And then as it cools down, it'll thicken up a little bit more.
So now you're pouring the glaze.
A little hard to mix up like this, but yeah, we're just mixing the glaze into the...
You put as much as you want to cover the pear, because remember it's going to mix up in the salad.
There we go.
That looks great. Yeah. Are you ready to mix our salad?
Yes.
Okay. So the recipe calls for 4 cups of arugula, but make as much or as little as you like. For us, it's just us today, so we're not going to add all of it.
Okay, and I'm going to guess at about how much we're going to eat today. I think maybe about 3 or 4 handfuls. That should be enough for the both of us.
Wonderful. And I think we can start adding the rest of our ingredients.
All right, so we got our radishes and our cranberries and our walnuts. And then we have our pear slices, which we've already mixed with the balsamic glaze that we made. And I don't think we'll need all of those.
We actually both love pomegranate kernels, and if I had one already peeled, I also would have added it to this. So If you find that the arugula is just too strong for you, try to find a mix of arugula and spinach or just a mixture of other greens.
Let's mix in some of our balsamic glaze. And there you go, finished product. All right, bon appetit.
Bon appetit. We hope you guys make this delicious salad, and it'll be in the description box below. It's really good. I wanted to mention that if you don't have time to reduce your balsamic vinegar, you can get a glaze. This one comes from Whole Foods. I don't really use it that often. I think it's too sweet. So it's always better if you can reduce your own balsamic vinegar. Okay, thank you for joining us again for this salad that we made. And thank you, Dr. Riss, for joining us as well.
Enjoy, take care.
Thanks. Okay, guys, if you like this video, please hit the like button and make sure to subscribe.
Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe.
Hit that notification button.